What's up mga momshies? This is Mami Graphy from the Gracies. Tara, samahan nyo kami manood ng sunset dito sa Alay, Lebanon.
We're going to the winter.
Yes, bigla ang lakad. Manonood kami ng sunset. Malapit lang dito sa village. But pumunta kami doon gabi na. And sabi ko, since off naman si Habibi, I think we should spend nice time also. Yan. We're on the way. Nana is tired. She keeps on playing on the whole day. She didn't go for a nap, but it's okay. Now she will enjoy the view. Nana? Yes? Say hi. Guapo, oh. Mr. Guapo. The scene. We'll take a view the mountain side yung tinake naming road para pakita sa inyo yung view ng mountain side ng Balatan. Later.
So, ito pala yung ruta na tinake namin papunta dun sa tourist spot kung saan maraming nanonood ng sunset. Mga pamilya, magkakaibigan, mga magkakasintahan. Ito yung way na ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mountain side ng Lebanon na talaga namang nakaka-relax na makita. Tapos yung hangin, fresh, hindi mainit, nakaka-presko, ang ganda sa mata, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na makakakita ka ng ganito halos araw-araw. Nakakalungkot lang, marami akong nakikitang mga bahay na hindi gawa, malalaki pero iniwanan ng mga may-ari. Naging abandoned na siya. Pero sana, pag naging maayos na uli itong bansa na to, matuloy na yung mga magagandang plano para sa mga tao dito. Dahil napakaganda ng lugar na to. Sana maging maayos na ulit ang pamumuhay dito. Ito, hindi ko na pala nakuhanan yung pagdating namin kasi nakatulog si Nana sa kotse. Hi, baby!
Take care, you are sleepy. Come here, Baba. Let's eat food, come. Let's buy food, come.
Get some corn.
You want corn? You want corn or food? Hey, hey.
Hi, Nura. Hi, Nura. We're looking at the sunset.
Si Tita.
It's not Teta.
Yala, Nana, here.
What do you want, corn?
Corn.
You want something?
Yes. Yes, this is what they call.
This is food, and this thermos, and the corn, you know, you are famous with corn.
Ito yun. Ano to? What's this?
Take one. Eat it.
Huh?
Eat. But you should remove the skin. Yeah. Remove the
Nura.
skin and eat. Yeah.
Tinatanggal yung balat.
Senora, you're making the full? Nura,
Nura, come here. Nora. Mama cannot carry you.
بس بلا حر يرضى عليك.
Jump up and down.
ايه شوي كمون.
namin?
Eh, bas.
This is the bear full.
With lemon. Yalla, what you will say so I will jump?
Yeah. Let's do the one too. That I saw in the car.
Let's say.
Yeehaw.
Yeah. Wow, with lemon. Lemon slice. Wow. Imagine, from Dubai, umuwi ako sa Dubai ng 2000. Since then, hindi na ako nakakita ng sunset. Kaya nagyaya ako sa kanya kasi Dubai days na magkasama kami, talagang nanonood kami ng sunset sa may Jumeirah, which is beach siya. Maraming nagsiswimming. Ayan. Pag off day, doon kami tumatambay. And now, wow, ito na yung order kong corn. Oh my God, perfect with the sunset. Tara, enjoy. Ooh, it is also with cumin? Ooh, yeah, it smells. It's so nice. Wow. Kain tayo. Do you put lemon on this? No lemon? Wow. It's the water, right? The sun say bye-bye. Nana, look.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sun.
Bye-bye, sun. After nating mag-watch ng sunset, we decided to take ice cream. Ice cream sa malamig na panahon. Pero in fairness sa ice cream dito,
Dracula house. Papa, see Dracula house.
this is like 2 towers. Why they called it Dracula house?
It's like that.
Ah, it's like a castle. Oh,
Dracula
yeah.
house. You saw it?
Ayan, on the way na kami sa Alay, kung saan ito yung parang mini city na pinakamalapit sa village ng Batater. So dito, maraming na kayong makikitang establishments, mga restaurants, maraming mga taong nakatira, unlike sa probinsya type na puro bundok. Tayo sa magandang they call it Alay. Toys, yes! Dito marami kang makikita ng mga bilihan, mga shops, kainan, marami din tao dito sa lugar na to.
Lebanon, karamihan ng mga tao dito may mga sasakyan. Hindi uso ang mga taxi. Siguro sa Beirut yan meron. Pero pag lumabas ka na ng Beirut, ayan, karamihan puro ano na. May mga sasakyan na. Falafel?
You want?
I just saw it. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa bilihan ng ice cream. They call it Bashir. Ayan, here. It's one of the best ice cream here in this town in Alay.
Yeah. Go you are Nora. Bye.
Yalla, let's go. You want that ice cream? Nana, you want that ice cream?
Yeah, the blue and the white.
Okay, yalla, let's go. Let's wait for Papa ice cream. Yes, you like that one? Okay, let's go. Which color do you want? Hold this, please. Hold it. Hold it. Slowly. Here, Papa. Here. Papa is there. Slowly. Papa!
Hey, pick up my hair.
Papa! Give it to Papa.
Don't forget.
Slowly go. I forgot he cannot eat hard. Sorry. But it's fine. You can take mine. I'll eat your cones.
Okay.
No, I want your cones. Deal or no deal?
Eat your ice cream. I will give you cone also.
Wow. Thank you, Papa. Tasty? Wow. Is it nice? Wow, it's really nice. Look. It's melting na. Yummy. Sarap. Malamig na dito pero nag-ice cream kami, diba? Parang, hello, good morning. I'm telling them, it's already cold here but we're eating ice cream.
It's tasty, right?
Yeah, it is.
And hope you enjoyed the video as we do. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you will get updated to our newest video. Thanks for watching.